Hey, Seth Andrews here. I am so thrilled to invite you to an event that is as enlightening as it is entertaining. It is BAHACON 2024. It's an amazing event where freethinkers unite, ideas flourish, and we all get a chance to challenge our neurons while making friends and having a whole lot of fun. And I would know because I have participated twice. It's a celebration of history, science, secular humanism, and free thought. And guess what? This year they have totally outdone themselves with another stellar lineup of speakers. New this year, we've got Forrest Valkai, Kate Cohen, Yvette Melanie Trecek-King, Abby Hafer, and Megan Lewis joining us. And that's just the start. Returning is Aron, Drew Bekius, Josh Bowen, David Fitzgerald, and Hemant Mehta. And of course, I'm going to be there as well, ready to share some stories, spark some discussions, and maybe have some fun and crack a few jokes. Mark your calendars, August 9th, 10th, and 11th, 2024. 3 days of engaging talks, lively discussions, and the chance to hang out with your fellow free thinkers. Tickets go on sale April 1st, 2024. Check out bahacon.com for more details. I cannot wait to see you there.